What's up, guys? Welcome to next video. It is now February the 12th. We have snow here in Kansas City. Why? Anyway, we have 2 days to be in Texas. Well, actually it's Wednesday. We have to be on a trailer tomorrow night. So we have like a little over 24 hours to wrap this car up. We got these super baller seats. They're just some NRG Prismas. These things come in purple. Hit me up if you want any of them. They're currently on back order. But we are starting to, so if you guys didn't know, I bought a red bumper, a red fender. That's wrapped black, by the way. And on the front, I bought this OEM surplus hood, but for some reason they had to like put X's in it and then paint it, because I don't think they could any longer sell it as new, which was weird, but I got a really good deal on the hood and all the parts. So this is how the car looks right now. We have all the angle kit done. We still have to put in the seats, but the interior is all wrapped up. Hydro's bled. We've got the rear coilovers on. Oh yeah, you guys like that sticker? Shoot. We definitely need like an inch or two spacer, but anyway, we got to install that today, like I said. Oh yeah, and then we also do not have a windshield at all. We have to be... I'm a super like great procrastinator. I'm not saying that I haven't been putting a ton of work in this thing, but yeah, we have a lot to do in the next 24 hours. So if you guys didn't know, I'm getting this wrapped, but my wrap guy said there's no way. Sorry, did not mean to cuss. Anyway, there is no way that we're gonna be able to have this thing wrapped in the next 24 hours, which I don't blame him. So we're gonna just paint this silver, like the original color of the car, to match for this event. And we're kind of in a rush, so I've just kind of been starting to prime this. I'm just using like a GM color match. Zero prep work whatsoever, but yeah, if you guys can see that, it's absolutely awful, but it just has to look good for a weekend. Stop making your drift cars all different colors. It's not cool. Like, slam them, put them on some good wheels, make sure they're all one color. Come on, guys, this is 2020. And I'm not a professional at painting whatsoever, as you can tell. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I lied to you guys a second ago, actually. This is just the primer for now. But we have the paint matched paint coming tomorrow morning. And I would not usually recommend this at all. Like, we literally scuffed these up with a Scotch pad. Didn't even sand it, didn't do anything. I would not recommend this, but we have 24 hours to be drifting. And as you can tell, we have a ton of work to do. Mechanically, it's solid. We deleted all the ABS, we deleted all the traction control, we deleted all the... This one's actually got a magnetic ride control on it, so we deleted all that. But yeah, still, we have a ton of work to do, so I did not have any time to prep whatsoever. Alright guys, sorry, my shop's a mess still. We have tons of just parts laying everywhere. Anyway, there she is. I didn't go to school for bodywork or anything like that, but I'd say she's looking pretty good. All right? Now, I don't recommend taking any of my advice on anything related to painting cars. But if you need a quick little 24-hour paint job, hit me up. I got you like $19.99. Look at that masking job. Mint. Ooh. Look at that masking job. Yep, I meant to mask that splitter off. It's all right. It's all right. We're gonna let this dry for a couple minutes and hit it with another coat. Quick little pro tip when you're painting these in 24 hours. If you run out of primer, just grab another random can, whatever you have laying on the shelf. Start spraying it on there. Oh yeah, and if you guys are new to the channel, basically what this car is we're building the cheapest 2012 dry sump LS3 drift car in the country. I think it's the only Grand Sport that's actually a drift car. But we set out to make the cheapest, most reliable, badass drift car on a budget. So that's why we're doing these like idiotic projects. The whole thing's getting wrapped, like I said. Just gotta look good for this weekend so we can get some cool pictures. And then it's getting a wrap. So yeah, we're not just complete idiots. I would probably be painting this thing really nice if the paint was gonna stay on there, but we wanted at least a solid color for the 2 days that we will be drifting this weekend. And it was really cheap. I think I spent like $40 on all these supplies. So the hood, fender, and bumper, like 40 bucks into this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Stay tuned on our build. We are almost wrapped up with it, but I'm sure, yeah, I can't keep a car the same. So I'm always gonna be swapping parts out and ripping this thing, because that's the idea, right? And then we also have a 350Z we're gonna be building soon. I flip exotic cars. And that's kind of what we do on this channel. If you like that type of stuff, subscribe for me below and stay tuned for more. Quick little product review on this little Rust-Oleum primer. This stuff sprays way better than the Duplicolor, and I think it was like half the price. I don't know, this paint's probably from like 2017 or something like that. It's super old, so I forget how much I paid for this, but it's definitely cheaper than that Duplicolor was and sprays way better. So if you guys are doing this, definitely get this stuff right here. We're gonna be wrapping it hopefully next week. And I've got some stage wheels on it right now. You guys need to check them out. I'm a dealer for them if you guys want some stage wheels. These things are 9.5. I actually went with a 9.5 because I was running 265 Kendas on a 10.5. I'm also a Kenda dealer if you guys need any tire. Like if you need any parts, send me a message on Instagram. I can definitely get you a hookup on something. But a lot of people have been running 265s, and myself included, on a 10.5-inch wheel. And I heard on the 9.5s they grip a lot more, so I decided to go with the 9.5 square setup. I'm running a 245 soft compound up front, and a 265 300 treadwear Kenda out back. And I'm not looking for like crazy amounts of grip, but they said the 9.5, the way the tire goes on there, it's a little bit grippier because you get more side bite. I don't know, we'll test it out. Regardless, I think this car is gonna rip. I think it's gonna be super fast. Hopefully we have no issues this weekend, but you never know. Hopefully we make it there. We went to No Coast last year and we had like 3 flat tires on the way down there. It was not fun. But we're gonna finish up painting this. Like I said, the paint gets here tomorrow morning. Clean it up a little bit and let's go drifting. Yeah, like it's like February. The last drift event I went to that I actually drove at was, I guess I went to End of Year Bash at Mid Pond. Mid Pond's a cool track. Thanks, Drew, for letting me drive your car for a few laps. We drove with Human Rahimi and had a good old time. We hit him. Drew messed up his car, like broke lower control arm. Well, the ball joint out of the lower control arm, broke a coilover, but it was a fun event. Oh yeah, so another quick update for you guys. We could only find 2 of these in the state that were this GM paint match, so we got to paint all this with 2 cans. And we also did not learn our lesson from yesterday and get any respirators, so we don't have any fans in the shop. No fans. Austin's over here with his hoodie. Show him how you're doing it, buddy. Do you already have paint all over your hoodie?
No.
That's a nice Noonshine hoodie too.
No, it's just fur.
Okay.
It's a furry sweatshirt.
This is how he's doing it. This is the technique, boys. How to spray paint your 2012 Corvette. Pretty easy, you know, you just get some bubble wrap. Look at that technique. Look at that wrist motion. Ladies, hit him up.
Oh yeah.
Dang.
You gotta put the body into it.
We're laying down some sick tiger stripes. Look at that prep work. Ooh. Yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. We do all kinds of like really like dumb projects. But they're fun. We have fun with it. Look at that prep work. We might need to blow this one off a little bit. There we go. Perfect.
One fender's gonna look great.
What do you mean one fender's gonna look great? That's the other one's Chevy OEM.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's the one that's gonna look
Look
great.
at that masking job though for the little Grand Sport emblem.
Yeah.
It's gonna be solid. All right, guys. Hey, sorry the GoPro died, but we've been rocking and rolling over here. It is starting to look like a drift car again. We got a piece of glass coming here in like an hour. Button pretty much all that up. Put the fenders on. They align terribly, but you know our paint job be looking A1. Look at how beautiful this side is, though. We're gonna throw the front bumper on real quick. Get some glass in there. Install all this window trim, the harnesses. We might actually pull this off. We might go drifting in Texas. I think we're gonna.
Oh, we're gone.
I did not think we were gonna make it a week ago, but yeah, we're making it.